Hello, flutes. This is number 73, Hot Muffins. This is actually a song in disguise, but we'll get to that in a minute. All right, our time signature is 2/4, so let's clap. 1, 2, ready, clap. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. Now we have a new note to learn, A flat. Now, this is a low note, and you know it's low because it's down here near the bottom of our stack. It's 3 plus the fun little banana key down here. So I like that note. I love the low notes on the flute. And wiggling the banana key is fun. All right, now let's say our note names as we go through. 1, 2, ready, go. B, oops, sorry, I got on the wrong one. 1, 2, ready, go. C, B, A flat. C, B, A flat. A, B, 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 C, B, A flat. Now, I tried to say A flat as many times as I could. Sometimes in the eighth notes, I didn't quite have enough time to say A flat, A flat, A flat. But I want to point something out to you. There's only one flat marked in. However, if the first one is flat, it automatically makes all the rest of them in that measure flat. So they wrote one flat for the first A, and every single A that comes after it in that measure is also A flat. Now let's play it. You might recognize this song. 1, 2, ready, go. It's Hot Cross Buns. They changed it from our original, which was DCB. They shifted everything down. This is called transposing. We took the original notes, shifted them down, and used one of our new flat notes. All right, guys, this is a fun one. Bye. Have fun practicing.